So today's video is just like the title says. There's ghosts in my house. That's all. Okay, so this is how the story goes. A couple days ago, around 9 o'clock in the morning, we heard a loud noise downstairs. Me and my mom, my sister, and my dad were all upstairs sleeping, and my little sister had already gone to school, which meant that there was nobody downstairs to make this noise. It's just impossible. Okay guys, so right here I got the camera that caught everything on tape. This is the hallway right here. This is the doorway for the office. And like I said before, nobody was on this floor. So I'm about to play this clip, and I just want you guys to think while you're watching this. Does this look right? Now I'm gonna play it one more time for you guys so you can have another look. Now I'm not gonna lie, my first conclusion with this was that I put a plastic cereal wrapper in there that the cereal's in the night before. She's a greedy dog. She was trying to get in it in the morning. There's no one there to disturb her, and maybe she can sneak something, try and get something, and her foot knocked it, she got spooked by something, and she ran out with it roughly the same time. So I'm gonna rewind it for you guys, and I'm gonna pause it and show you guys why I don't think she could have done this. Right here. Like you guys just saw, the bin and her came out at roughly the exact same time. In the last clip, for her to push it, she'd have to be behind it. To get that much force on it, for it to hit all the way across the hallway, and to hit that hard, she'd have to be behind it and hit her with her nose or her paws if she could somehow. But she's not. She's right beside it. And look, she's running. She's hauling ass out of the office. She's scared. This thing's being thrown at her or at her direction, and she's racing it out. You guys saw how fast she ran out the first 2 times I showed you. Does this look like a dog that knocked this bin out? I don't think so. I've watched this so many times because I was amazed at how this happened. And my conclusion is ghosts. And I'm gonna play the clip and show you guys why I also think this is it. So the bin's there, and the bin rolls, it hits the back wall here, and it keeps rolling. Normally when the bin hits, I try doing this, it stops, or it'll roll for about 40 seconds max. And as you can see here, I'm about to play it through. This thing rolls for about a minute or 2, and she's running around, her tail's beneath her legs, and my mom comes down the stairs. She sees the bin, sees that there's no one down here. How the hell did the dog get the bin down here? And she goes back upstairs because she doesn't screw with this ghost crap. So she goes back up, and the bin is still spinning. I don't know if you guys have been looking at this, but the whole time she came down, the bin is still rolling back and forth. And at some points it gets slower, and then it picks up speed again, which is kind of weird. And it keeps going. And I don't know. You guys tell me, what's up with this? Do you think it's some paranormal activity stuff? Do you think we're joking around, we're screwing with you? You guys leave in the comments and you tell me, alright?